Hello guys, today we have three different types of indicators: blue litmus, red litmus and universal indicator. So let's check them out with acid and base, that is calcium hydroxide, what change will occur. So let's do that. Now take some calcium hydroxide in the test tube. Actually, calcium hydroxide is a base and it's insoluble in water, so you can only mix it not very well. It's enough. Now I'm adding some water to make it solution. Do you know what? Calcium hydroxide is also called milk of lime. Its another name is milk of lime. Now as you can see, it's insoluble in water, so it's not mixing properly, but we will try to mix it. Now I think the solution of calcium hydroxide is ready to work. Now we will check red litmus in acid. As you can see, there's no change. Now we will check red litmus in base and you will see a great change. That red litmus is changed into blue. Now we will check with universal indicator in acid. So as you can see, the color of yellow indicator is changing into dark pink color. Now we will check same in base. Now this universal indicator we will checking in base. Now as you can see, the color of universal indicator is changing into dark blue color. It's totally converted into dark blue. Now we will check blue litmus paper in acid. So as you can see, blue color is changing into pink, or we can see it's changing into red color. Now we will check blue litmus in base. So here as you can see, no change.